welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel here. So I went ahead and bought this wig from MyFirstWig, and as per usual, I will link all the hair details in the box below. So one thing with MyFirstWig, they always give you lots of stuff like clips, combs, pins, everything. Like they even give you like a bag to like keep your wig in, which is like super cool to have. It's like dope. Right now I'm going in and cutting off all the excess lace around it. So the wig comes with 3 pins, 2 at the front and 1 in the back, and a adjustable strap. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then y'all already know that this wig here is my favorite wig, my go-to wig. It's my absolute favorite. I wear it like to school, I wear it on the television, I've rocked this wig on the runway. Yes, girl, yes, on the runway. And people always ask me like, why is this wig my favorite wig? Because it's so convenient. Listen, all I do is just adjust the strap around my head of the wig, flat iron it, use my Flyaway Tamer from MyFirstWig. And listen, this is my second wig like this from them. I had to get it twice. Yes, I love it that much.